right, boys and girls, now we are going to give a solution to that question 1 from paper 2, 2014, matric exams. The question was saying we must calculate the mean percentage for mathematics. So what you do, you take your calculator, you go to your mode, and you go to option number 2, which is saying statistics, and it will display a lot of things on the screen. When you press option number 2, you choose option number 1 thereafter, which says variance, and then the table will open for you like this. You have a table with X here, and then you have 1, 2, 3, 4. This 1, 2, 3, 4 is telling you the number of data that you are going to capture. So your first data there is 52. You press 52 on the calculator, and then you press the equal sign, then it will come here. You are capturing. So you capture all these numbers. You press 82, and then it come here, and then you press 93. It will come there in that order up until the last number, which says 57. Now when you finish, you store it to AC. Like I said, you store to AC button here. Now when you store to AC, then you go look for your answers. So Mary and Amma, they are going to give me the answers for question number 1.1, which says we must calculate the mean percentage for mathematics. Yes, so what was your mean percentage for mathematics, which is 1.1?
68%.
So X bar is equals to 68%. That was the mean percentage, 68%. That's good. And then now the next question says we must calculate the standard deviation within one standard. It says standard deviation. Calculate the standard deviation of the mean. So 1.2, calculate the standard deviation of the mean. What was our standard deviation?
18,4 SD.
Okay, so we say SD is equals to 18,42. Standard deviation is equals to 18,42. And then the next question, which is 1,3. So here it was 2 marks, you get all your 2 marks. And here it was 1 mark, you get your 1 mark. So here is 2, here is 1. And then the last question, which is 1,3, says we must calculate how many are within one standard deviation of the mean from the mathematics table. Okay. So now we then apply what formula? What formula do we use?
Mean. X bar.
We use
X bar minus standard deviation.
1 standard deviation is 2, because they said 1 standard deviation. The examiner can say 2 standard deviation. Then it means you multiply 2 times your deviation. Okay, that's how it works. So here we also have X bar plus 1 standard deviation of the mean. Okay, so now we then put it into the formula. And what is your answer?
49,58.
Here in the lower boundary is what?
49,58.
Okay, so we got, it's going to be 68 minus 18,42, and the answer is 49,58 is to 86,42. So now you are going to go back to the mathematics table and choose numbers that are within this interval from 49,58 to 86,42. So now let's quickly go to the table. Can we find 52 within?
Yes.
So we are going to write the numbers that are within. So 52 is there.
57.
82, can it be within?
Yes.
82 is there. Can we also find 93 within? No, so it is outside. We don't consider 93 within this interval. 95 is outside. 71 is in. Okay. 65 in. 77 in. So is within. 42. 42 is below this minimum value here. So 42 is also outside. From 42, which number do we jump to? 89. Is 89 within? No, it's outside the 180. So here 89 is also outside. 48,
Outside.
compare the 48 to the lower mark here. So see 48 is also outside. 45,
Also outside.
outside, and 57
Within.
is within 1 standard deviation.